Now question number 17 of 7b. If p plus r is equal to mq, 1 by q plus 1 by s equal to m by r, then we have to prove that p is to q equal to q is r is to s. From here find the value of m. M will be equal to p plus r by q, value of m. Now take this part because this is also given. 1 by q plus 1 by s equal to m by r. Take LCM. Q plus s by qs. Now put the value of m here. At the place of m write down p plus r by q. This is p plus r by q. This r was already there. Here from 1, suppose this is 1. From 1 I have put the value of m here because this is given. Now here q and q will cancel. Q and q will cancel because this is not equal to 0. Now cross multiply. qr plus rs. qr plus rs is equal to ps plus rs. qr plus rs is equal to ps into rs. Rs and rs will cancel. Therefore ps equal to qr, or p by q r by s. P by q equal to r by s means they are in proportional. Now question number 7. Now we have to solve exercise 7c. Question number 7. No, question number 6 part 2. Question 6 part 2. Both parts are very important. If a equal to 4 root 6 by root 2 plus root 3, then find the value of a plus 2 root 2 by a minus 2 root 2, a plus 2 root 3 by a minus 2 root 3. Generally, the answer for this type of question is 2. In 99% cases, it is always true. Here, this is given. Now, we can break a is equal to 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 2 by root 2 plus root 3. Now, in first part, you want 2 root 2 with a. Now, divide this question in 2 parts. A by 2 root 2 because we want 2 root 2 with a. I have taken a by 2 root 2 is equal to, what is left? We have taken a by 2 root 2, 2 root 3 will be left by root 2 plus root 3. Now apply componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. By applying componendo and dividendo both the cases. Here numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Numerator plus denominator, a plus 2 root 2 by a minus 2 root 2 is equal to 2 root 3 plus root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 3. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Now this will become 2 root 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3 plus root 2. Here 2 root 3 minus root 3, that is root 3 minus root 2. This is first. Now in second part we want 2 root 3 with a. Now take a by 2 root 3. A by 2 root 3 from the same equation. First of all, we want 2 root 2 with a, that is why I have taken 2 root 2 below a. We'll get this one, apply componendo and dividendo. Now for second part, we want 2 root 3 with a. Now take 2 root 3 below a by 2 root 3, then 2 root 2 will be left, 2 root 2 will be left by root 2 plus root 3. I have taken 2 root 3 below a, then 2 root 2 by root 2 plus a. Now apply componendo and dividend. A plus 2 root 3 by a minus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2 minus root 2 minus root 3. Numerator plus denominator, numerator into denominator. Here 2 root 2 plus root 2, 3 root 2 plus root 3, 2 root 2 minus root 2, root 2 minus root 3. This is second. Now on adding first and second, the left sides are a plus 2 root 2 by a minus 2 root 2. Left side of this is a plus 2 root 3 by a minus 2 root 3 equal to, write down right side. Right side is 3 root 2 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. One thing remember, it root 3 here, root 3 minus root 2 here, root 2 minus root 3. If we put minus sign here, then this will be also become root 3 minus root 2. Put here at the plus, write down minus sign. Then this will be 3 root 2 plus root 3 by root 3 minus root 2. This is important point. Here denominator is root 3 minus root 2, here denominator is just reverse, root 2 minus root 3. That is why I have put here minus sign, minus into plus minus, so that you can take LCM easily. Now this will be equal to 3 root 2 plus root 2 minus 3 root 2 plus minus root 3, minus sign is outside, all the signs will change, by root 3 minus root 2. 3 root 2 minus root 3, 2 root 2, root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 by root 3 minus root 2. Here 3 root 2 minus root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 2, 1 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Now take 2 common. This is root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. These two will cancel, the answer will be 2. Again try to understand it. This is given. First we want 2 root 2 with a. That is why I break it. I have taken 2 root 2 by a. Apply componendo dividendo. Then in second part we want 2 root 3. That is why I have taken 2 root 3 below this. We have taken 2 root 3. 2 root 3 below this. This will be right side. Now apply componendo and dividend. Numerator plus denominator into is equal to numerator plus denominator on both sides. We'll get this. Now we have to add these two, because finally we have to find the value of these two. Now on adding these two, here there is, you have to take care. You can also change sign here. Here root 3 denominator is root 3 minus root 2, denominator root 2 minus root 3. Just reverse. That is why I have taken minus sign common here. That minus and plus will become minus. This will become root 3 minus root 2 instead of root 2 minus root 3. Now take LCM and solve it. Your answer will be 2. That's all.